It's time for Tyler's tip of the day.
Hello everyone. Well, today in this video, in regards to removing suckers from your tomato plants, I wanted to this year leave a couple of suckers on this one plant and create other limbs so you could see what I'm talking about and why they call them suckers. So down here at the beginning growth stage, I left that one sucker right there at the leaf joint. I left it there. So here's another one here. I left one right there. So I have two other limbs growing here, but look at all this growth right here coming off the plant. But look how little production. There's just this one little blossom section right here. All this growth. Meanwhile, it's taking away from these that are growing so well. So that's why they call this a sucker, in fact, is because it takes away so much energy to do all this growth, but it only has a little amount of production. So that's why they should come off. Just wanted to point that out. Another thing too, it's best to keep the lower leaves off of your plant and cut away as they start yellowing a little bit or get any discoloration like over there. That needs to be cut away, all those lower limbs. Any discoloration, that causes suffrage to the plant. So just cut it off. It isn't going to hurt a bit. So that's my tip for today, and hope you enjoyed it. Come back and visit again soon, and as always, I'd appreciate it if you like this and give me a subscription. Bye-bye.